namatay yung compressor niya. So, check ko na lahat ng sensor, okay naman. Ito natin kasi namamatay yung compressor niya. So, check ko tong ambient sensor and the pro sensor, okay naman siya. So, anong nangyari? Kusang namamatay. Sorry sir, ha? We need to
okay,
wait.
no problem.
We need to wait. It's the same, sir. You need to buy the new fan motor, huh?
Fan motor?
That's 150 real.
Okay.
It takes a lot of money.
They're closed now.
Maybe tomorrow, sir.
Yeah, tomorrow morning I have to go see them tomorrow.
But don't tell them you...
No.
Don't tell them
Just
you...
give me the spare part number and I will just...
Take a picture of this model. This one, sir. Then go to them. Tell them you need the fan condenser. Yeah, that's
This one? Just show them this and I will tell them I need them hands.
Take a picture of this one. This is the first time
Yes.
fixing? Yes. Yeah. So that's one. Tell them you need the AC condenser.
What do you call it?
AC condenser. It's AC condenser.
You should open your own. Believe me. Ronald, how old are you now?
I'm 38.
Good. So you still have another, let's say, 5 years to work as an employee, all right?
Yes.
But if you need my advice, I'm 58 years old now. I've been here for 50 years. If you need my advice, always think about your future, your own business.
A good advice from
Yeah.
a good experience.
No matter how long you stay in the company, at the end of the day, you are a number.
Yeah.
Anytime you will leave. Anytime you will leave.
As long as you can work or you stay healthy, then you're
You have to go home one day. Whether you like it or not.
I'm thinking of that.
You have to go home one day. One of my employees, his name is Faisal, Filipino. He was born in Riyadh. His father worked here in Riyadh as well.
You're a Saudi?
No, I'm not. I'm
I
Palestinian.
thought you're Saudi.
No, I'm not.
You're-
No, I'm Palestinian Jordanian. Anyway, this guy Faisal, he worked with me in one of the brands that I handled, Cafe de Grasse and Crêpe Fair. He took very good experience. He was 21 years old when he joined me. Okay. He left exactly right before the COVID-19.
COVID-19,
Yeah.
huh? 2000.
And he called me, he said he wants to come back. I said, Faisal, try to open your own business now. He has 5 stores now.
Oh, mashallah.
Yeah.
Good, good.
He has 5 stores. In Philippines, anything food and beverage, it works. Remember how to play
So, we did not come back, huh?
What?
They did not give you warranty?
No, no, no. I have the invoice. I have the who which report this one?
Yeah, the one who fixed it.
No, I only have the invoice. I tried to call them again, but
Never
I
come
had a
back.
fight with them. I talked to their boss. I told him if he doesn't know how to fix it, just tell me he doesn't know. That's it. He made me buy spare parts that doesn't need it.
Sometimes it's the board itself.
The board.
Wow. I need to double check. I'm going to double check. Because it's needed. We're going to check this one. Okay. Should be the same as 1.7. So this one is okay. So maybe your compressor have problem also. Inshallah, it's okay. So see, all 1.7. See, another terminal 1.7. The other one is 1.7 also. So this is good. So it doesn't mean it's good. So we need to check also your compressor.
Okay.
This one, see, we already checked it. It's 4.5 kilo ohms, right?
Yeah.
So they changed the parts goods before. See, 4.8. It should be like 4 to 5 kilo ohms. If it's like 6, 7, 8, so it's not good.
I see. Okay.
So this is okay. You see? 4.7. So this is okay. So we're gonna check also the compressor. Why they did not come back? It should be come back, sir, because there's a warranty for this one.
He said, the guy said he cannot fix it. He said it. He said, I cannot fix it. He said, we need to program it. I said, come on guys, why did you tell me before? You came the first time and you came the second time.
Programming, no?
I did not believe in them. I did not believe in them at all.
Ayan, chichikin natin yung compressor mga kalods. Chichikin natin yan, yung compressor niya kung okay ba siya. 17 point. Fourteen point one. It should be the same also, said, because this is inverter.
Should be the same.
The same ohms. So 14.1 ohms. So there's no problem with your compressor. Because it is stopping, sir, I think the problem from your fan and from your board. Because you said it is blinking all the number before, right?
Yeah, before it was, yes.
Yeah, this is the problem for this inverter type. I faced a problem same like this before. I thought it was the compressor.
It's less than 4 years old.
Inverter, sir. You know inverter.
Yeah.
It's electronic.
Yeah, the old one was much better.
Yeah. This is okay, but it's not eating a lot of electricity. But the problem is this one.
The motherboard.
The control.
The control.
Yeah. So we will gonna check again the. Sorry for that, sir. Huh?
Yeah, it's okay.
Sometimes it's from the electricity, so we need to check if it's. Sometimes it's fluctuating.
Okay.
I need to check if it's stable. After 10 minutes, umana na. Ayan, gumagana na siya. Tapos, amperahe niya is 3 ampere. So, yun. Wait lang natin kung ano mangyari kung tataas pa siya. Ayan, gumagana naman yung pan niya. Compressor gumagana na. Problema niya, nag-i-stop siya. Sa loob. Tingnan natin siya kung lumalamig siya. Yung evaporator dito. Gumagana naman yung pan niya. Sunod na natin yung compressor. Yung windings ng compressor okay naman. Yung defrost sensor, lahat okay. Nagpo-frostbite na siya rito. Nagpo-frostbite na siya. So, ibig sabihin, okay. Ampere pa rin, tapos normal operation pa rin siya. So mainit naman yung discharge line niya. Tingnan natin kung i-stop o tataas pa. think fan motor yung fan condenser yung problema nito kasi nahina ng buga niya, no? So ayan, after mga 3 minutes ayan, tumaas na siya, naging 6 ampere na siya. Ayan, normal operation pa ulit, naging 7 ulit, so umaakyat, so ibig sabihin okay. See now sir, it's 7, huh?
7 now?
Yeah, after we clean that one, the condenser. Now it's 8, see?
Okay.
The first time we test it, before cleaning the condenser,
Yeah.
it's just only from 5, then suddenly stop. See now 9.
So the fan is working.
Sometimes the fan motor, if it's like the DC bolts, it's
Yeah.
malfunctioning.
Yeah.
If he stop, it will stop function also.
Okay. So better to change it.
No, that's why I clean it first.
I see.
When I clean it, because it's too much dirt from dust.
Okay.
So when it's have too much dirt, so he cannot breathe properly.
Okay.
So I tell you what, when you do not put all together from the wall,
No.
near from the wall, you need
Keep
some
distance.
space,
Yes.
distance. See now it's 9, no? So this is the normal.
Okay.
This is the normal now. He's on maximum torque now, your compressor. You see, come here. You see this one? This is your evaporator on your rep section because this is a twin cooling. Oh, see?
Okay.
See now it's frostbiting now. Huh?
Yeah.
See? It's frostbiting now. So
Wow.
I think the problem is I'm sure from your fan and from your condenser it's too much dirty.
Too much dirty.
So let's wait for like 5 minutes more
Yeah, sure. Let's
just to make it sure.
Yep.
So just in case it's happen again, sir, better you buy the fan condenser. Okay?
Okay.
Because it's weak a little bit.
I will just buy it tomorrow. I'll keep it with me
Okay.
just in case for the future. Just to keep it with me.
So yun, after mga 5 minutes stable pa rin siya. So I think good na to mga kalods. So sa loob ko nagpipraise na lahat. Buksan ulit natin para sure lang. Oh, ayan. Tama, nagpo-frostbite na po. Ayan. So goods na to mga kalodi. Ang naging problema lang nito is madumi lang yung condenser niya dun sa compressor. Kasi malikabok barado, hindi siya makahinga. Okay. So isasara na natin. stable now, sir.
It's stable.
But better you replace the fan.
I will.
Because we don't know it's going to
Yes.
malfunction again.
Now.
No, once you open the door,
Yeah.
it will stop the fan.
Okay.
Because it has a magnetic switch.
ايش معنى؟ ايش تحكي؟
So, ipuput na natin sa original position. So, tip lang mga kalodi, pag maglalagay kayo ng rep, dapat wag nyo isagad hanggang sa wall. Dapat may space siya. May space siya kahit mga siguro mga 4 to 5 or 6 inch lang. Para at least makahinga yung compressor nyo. Kasi pag sinagad nyo yan, syempre magbabago ng ano yan, ng lamig siya, magmamalfunction siya. So ibalik na natin siya, goods na po to.
نبي enjoy بابا.
This one zero, it's hot now.
Okay.
It's warm.
ان شاء الله it will be okay. ان شاء الله it will be okay. ان شاء
You
الله.
already clean, right?
Yeah. We do this one like every month. We take it out.
At least you have a space of 5 to 6 inch. Yeah. So he can breathe.
Yeah.
Sometimes they're buy a new fridge, then they're making a housing. I told them don't make it like
Because-
that.
They close it all.
No, that's one problem for me.
They suffocate the fan.
Yeah.
Just suffocate
Also the compressor, the lifespan of your compressor will be reducing.
Yeah, of course. The light.
Some customer, and you know,
This is the biggest problem in the restaurants.
oh yes,
Yeah.
it's nearby
It's
then
all
on the wall.
It's near and close to the.
This one is okay because your area is
Open.
bigger, it's open, so we can breathe also. It's same like a human being, sir.
Exactly. Like a human being.
So we found already the problem.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
We found already. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, sir.
I
Huh?
will. Wait.
Yeah, you get your phone, I'll teach you. So yeah, it's okay. You can come on my
Yeah.
camera.
Yeah, sure.
This is my friend. What's your name, sir?
Muhammad.
Mr. Muhammad. He's a good customer.
Guys, when you bring a professional person who knows his job, at least you don't have to change some spare part
Yeah.
that you don't need.
See
So-
what happened.
Yeah, this is the new one. By the way, this is the new one. Huh?
Yeah, no, I think
This is the old one, but
Yes.
it was working because we
Yeah.
got the wrong people to fix this one. Now he just figured out that
Mm.
what we needed in here.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Nolan. Thank you very much.
Yes. So he's subscribing now my YouTube channel.
What's
You
your,
search Ronel Daily Vlogs. It's like a capital R, then RONEL, then Daily. No space. It's continuous. Daily. Yeah, this one you can subscribe now. Then put it like now you're my subscriber now.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm happy that we fix your fridge.
I'm glad that I brought with you. I'm glad that I brought with you. Thank you very much.
Welcome, boss. Welcome. So that's it for today vlog. Nagawa po natin yung fridge ni customer, si Mr. What's your name again?
Muhammad.
Mr. Muhammad. Dito po yan sa Al Sulaimania District.